Here's a 2013 Chevrolet Impala. When you make your entrance in this Impala, everyone will know you've arrived. Features include AM/FM satellite radio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, remote engine start, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, sport suspension, and automatic transmission. Chevrolet, 100 years of icons. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.